It's important that you allow the oven to cool completely before any type of cleaning. Warning: do not immerse the body, power cord, or power plug in water or any other liquid, as this may cause electrocution. With a mild detergent or spray and a soft, damp sponge, wipe any buildup of stains or marks on the surface. Be sure to apply the cleaning agent to the sponge and not directly onto the surface. Next, take a glass cleaning agent or other mild detergent, and with a soft, damp sponge or soft plastic, not metal, scouring pad to work off the residue. Be mindful that using an abrasive cleaner or metal scouring pad will scratch the oven surface. Wipe the LCD screen with a soft cloth. Again, apply the cleaning agent to the cloth and not directly on the LCD screen. Let all of the surfaces dry thoroughly before you plug in and turn on your Joule oven.